Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain you string replacement fields. Before going to the actual practical example, first we have to recall what is the string function, why we are using string function. So what output I will get? Okay, my age is 41 years. Yes, we got a output. String age is a function used to convert age numeric to string. It is converted age from numeric to string. Okay, here we have a different mechanism in version 3.6 onwards in Python. So I will try to explain you. We can use format as a function to get same output. Yes, we got same output. Here, if we do it little complicated, we are just used one replacement field. If we want to use multiple replacement fields, a replacement field is nothing but whatever the zero written in braces. This is replaced by age. So this is why we are calling it as a replacement field. I will give an example where there is a multiple replacement fields available. Follow the example so you can understand what actually I am doing. It helps you to write a better program. I am using format as a function after the string where there is a replacement fields. Everything I'm writing in a single quote. There are 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 format arcs. Okay. Here is the error we got because there is a dot instead of comma. Okay. Try to get a output. Okay. This is the output we got. In place of 0, we got a 31. In place of replacement 1, January. Replacement 2, March. Replacement 3, May. So on till the December. Replacement field 7 replaced by December. So here is the way we are using the same procedure like before. One replacement field is replaced by one formatted string. If we want to change to multiple replacement fields, it is multiple replacement fields only, but we are using multiple times. In next example, we will use multiple times. Same replacement field will be utilized many times. Follow the example so that you can understand very clear how I am using a replacement field in different ways, using a single replacement field, multiple replacement field, and multiple replacement fields multiple times. Okay, within the within the single line I used, you can make utilize in different way. You can use in a multiple lines. Just try to get a output. Okay, here is the output for third line and fourth line. Here this is the output for fifth and sixth line. We can make utilize to write multiple lines. Here what is happening is, in first example one replacement field, in second example it is seven replacement fields with the seven variables, and three replacement fields with three in we used in a multiple times. I'm repeating again and again to understand, make you clear that it is working and it is utilized in a different ways. I hope you got a clarity. I can do it some more flexible. Okay, I can copy paste this one. I can copy paste and make it more simplified. We use a triple quote. So it is useful to use triple quotes in different manner. It is the one of the way I am doing it. Triple quotes, it will, errors will disappear. Yes, yes, errors are disappeared. Okay, so try to get a output. Okay, it is clearly visible from January to December. Okay, you can do some modification here. So it will give a output in this line. So this is the output we got. We are using a replacement fields. One replacement can be utilized in a multiple times. So and many replacement fields we can utilize. I repeated this one, but try to remember. See you in the next session.